Renting in London, here's what you need to know. A one-bedroom apartment in London can cost you up to £2,000 a month, sometimes even more. So London is divided into zones. Zone 1 is the central zone and the most expensive. Zone 2 and Zone 3 are a bit slightly less expensive with good connectivity. So Zone 2 and Zone 3 are the sweet spot. Most expats live over here. If you're planning to rent a one-bedroom apartment in Zone 2, you can expect your rent to be somewhere around £1,700 to £2,200. If you plan to rent a room, share an apartment, you can expect the rent to be £900 to £1,300 a month. So where do we look for an apartment to rent? There's websites. The most famous ones are Rightmove and Zoopla. There's OpenRent. If you plan to rent a room, share an apartment, you can look at SpareRooms. So once you found an apartment that you like, the rent is not the only cost. You need to be aware of the other costs that you will likely have to pay. First is the council tax. That's the tax that you have to pay to the council every month. This can be somewhere around £100 to £200 a month. Now that depends on the location of your apartment and other factors. Then you need to pay for electricity, gas, water. In total, you can end up paying up to £300 to £400 a month on top of your rent. So say your rent is £1,700, everything included, you'll be paying somewhere around £2,100 to £2,200 a month.